Everyone wants to lose belly fat first, but that's almost never how your body works. In fact, if your face is getting slimmer, your clothes are fitting better, but your belly still looks the same, that's actually a good sign. Here's why. Your body removes fat in layers. The easiest fat goes first. The stubborn fat, especially around your stomach and love handles, is your body's emergency savings account. It doesn't want to let it go. So even if you've already lost 3 or 4 kilos, your belly might barely change. And that's where most people quit. They think, my diet isn't working. My workouts are useless. No, you're just judging your progress by the last place your body wants to lose fat. Imagine peeling an onion. You don't jump straight to the center. You remove one layer at a time. Fat loss works the same way. The only way to reveal your abs is to keep removing layers, not start over every 2 weeks. Here's the rule. If your strength is improving, your waist is slowly shrinking, and your weekly weight trend is going down, you're on the right path. Keep going. The people who get lean aren't the ones with better genetics. They're the ones who stayed consistent long enough to reach the final layer.